Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Okay, good. Logan.
Donald.
Nice to meet you. Keys in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
There it is.
I'm gonna leave them right there. I'll let you know if I need you. I'll contact you when I finish up.
Alright, I'm right here at the front.
Go ahead and pop that loose. Go ahead and pop that loose. Go ahead and bust that one loose there. Oh, right here. Pry them out. There we go. Just like that. And I got a little bit of play in the caliper. Oh, very easy. Look at that. I'm going to take this and just wrap it up around there. So it doesn't go anywhere, just like that. There you go, just like that. You got a 10 mil at the bottom here. 10 mil on the side. You got 10 mil on top. And there comes your dust shield. And we got this ABS sensor here. Alright, that comes right out. Like it's nobody's business, and that wiggle right out as well. So bust this loose. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Here's your old one. Put a dab of bearing grease on this O-ring just to help it slide in there a little easier. Don't forget your little spacer. Put a little bit of pressure on it. Take the screwdriver, just give it a good push. Yep, pops right in. Here we go. We're going to take this and run it up through these little brackets. Now we're going to go ahead and connect this to the connector, just like that. Alright, connects, no problem. We'll stick that in there and stick this grommet in this area. Now we're going to put this dust shield back on. We're going to grab this rotor, throw it back on, just like that. Take this caliper and throw it back on, just like that. Take these bolts here, line them up just right. There we go, 125. And for the bottom, caliper bracket bolt. Okay, don't forget your cable. Torque spec, 2010 Town & Country, Job Done Caravan, 100 foot-pounds. Make sure you go in star pattern. Once I hit it, I like to hit it one more time.